Okay, so now I'm just gonna flip it over onto the cooling rack. Hopefully I grease this up enough. Maybe I didn't. Not really wanting to flip out. Don't really know. Oh, it's hot. I think I can leave it. Oh, it is coming out of there. Holy tomatoes. Well, I did a good job of greasing it. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. So I'm gonna let it cool. Sorry. It's actually really pretty. Let's get some more close-up action of it. Looking good. Alright, well, I'm gonna wrap it up once it cools and take it into work. And that's what I made first. Done and done.